Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the updated version of team generator software for the Kabaddi. And Kabaddi is a very trending very trending sport when it comes to the fantasy in Dream11. Actually, in the Pro Kabaddi League, it is going to be very easy for us to crack the Grand League. So by using this software, you can definitely able to win the Grand Leagues and small leagues also. Especially in Kabaddi, we have a lot of credit problem. We cannot create the teams quite easily, but software will create the teams quite easily, and it will take care of everything. For example, let me click on the first match available, and you can see that data is loading. And so you can see all the player data is available. If any player data is mismatching, for example, Fazil Atrazali is having 14.5 credits. In your fantasy application, he is having 15.5 credits. You can change that easily. For example, you can easily change that to 15.5, and after that continue. So after that, the teams are successfully stored. So you can see the credits are updated to 15.5 easily. So you can also do that. So let's click on the players here. For example, you have to be very careful while selecting the Kabaddi players, because you will going to have a lot of credit issues while creating the teams. So software will take care of everything. Just select some of the players from the both the sides, and after that so I suggest you to select more players. Actually, three players from each side, and again 3 players from each side. So I would like to select 3 players from each side again, and after that so I would like to select 2 players from the all-rounder section, and in the rider section I would like to select 6 players. So you can see I have selected total of 16 players, and after that you need to select continue. And you can see there are 2 sections available: Grand League and Advanced Grand League, Advanced Generation. In this video, I suggest you to go with the advanced generation in the Kabaddi, because we can easily predict who is going to perform well. Especially rider section, you can easily predict that riders are going to easily get more points than the other players. So I suggest you to select advanced generation section, and after that I suggest you to select the star players. For example, VA Kumar, and for example Navin Kumar is there. You can fix him as the rider. It is a very important section. Fixed player section is very important section in Kabaddi. And after that continue. And in the captain selection also, I suggest you to select captains from the rider section. For example, Navin Kumar, and in the and also in the defender section you can also select J Narwal. So you can take chance and you can select all these players. So I suggest you to select more players in the captain section from the rider role. So I suggest you to select more captains from the rider section, and after that continue. And in the vice captain section also, I suggest you to select more players from the you have to select from the it is actually rider. It is misspelled. I will change the name later on. So you have to select more players from the rider section. So rider is the top below section. You have to select more players from the rider section, and after that continue. And in the partition also, you have to select more players from the strong team. So if you think Mumbai is strong team, select more players from the Mumbai, and after that continue. And you have to give the credit range as 92 to 100, and after that continue. And I suggest you to select all the players, all the strategies available, and after that continue. And you need to select the number of teams you want. For example, if you want 10 teams, give 10 number, and after that generate teams. You can see the teams are successfully generated, and all these teams is successfully stored, and all these teams are very accurate teams. And you can easily win the Grand Leagues, especially in Kabaddi, because it is very easy for the software to create the Kabaddi teams, because very less players we need to select. Only 7 players only we need to select. So for example, if you want to check the results also, you can also do that. You can see 23 seconds ago we have created the teams. So if you want to check the results, you can also click on see teams to see the teams. If you want to check the results, you can add the player points. For example, so if you want to add the player points, for example, here I want to add player points for N Narwal, for example 56. And likewise, you have to select all the player points for you have to give the player points for every player after the match is finished, and after that continue. and you can see that see results option is available. So after clicking on see results option, you can easily check the player points. You can see team points is available, and the team which have got more points is listed at the top. And likewise you can see, so the teams which got more points have been placed at the top. So this is how you can easily use the Kabaddi. You can easily use the team generation software for the Kabaddi also. So I hope you guys like this video, and those who have knowledge and those who want the software, so those who have interest can contact me. I have provided you the contact details in the description box below. And thanks for watching, and consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.